Thank you guys for always watching my video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I want to teach us on how to design a product flyer. I did this one for Power Hoy, and so simple but very nice. So let's go straight to it. You can see that I have all the materials I want to use on the screen. I have the Power Hoy itself. I have the water, the Hoy splash. I have the logo. These are the materials I'm going to be working with. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe so you can see my other videos. So stay tuned. Let's go straight to the design. So now I'm going to pick my rectangle. Can you see it? I just double click on it and it appears. So I'm going to give it a deep green color. I click down on the color section so I can get more option of the colors. So I pick deep green. Then I'm going to come down to this color area down here and go straight up to fountain fill. Can you see it? Fountain fill. Then after that, I'm going to come to Epithical tools. That one in the middle. Epithical tools. So what I'm trying to achieve here, I'm trying to work on the background. I'm trying to mix the color. So I'm going to come down here and give it a fountain of lemon inside. Can you see it? Lemon inside. Let me control it a bit so it can be lighter. That's okay. We are getting there. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I want to perfect the background first. So I'm going to go to my bezier tools and draw out a shape. I'm trying to achieve like a light ray from the top. So I'm going to draw up a shape. I just drew it out now. So I'm going to give it a lemon color also. Let me give it a lemon color. Let me remove the outline. So I've removed the outline. So I'm going to bitmap it and convert it to bitmap. Then after that, I'm going to go to my blur under bitmap. So now I'm going to blur it out. So I'm trying to achieve a light kind of reflection coming from the top. So I'm going to blur it out. Just stay with me, guys. I think it's okay like this. Okay. It's okay like this. So I'm going to blur it out. So that is it. So now I'm going to use my F10 to close it up. Can you see from the top? If I didn't do that, it's going to be showing a white reflection if I spot it out when I'm done. So I've closed it up. So the next thing, I'm going to play with the materials I have. Let me page up this one. So the first thing is the Power Hoy itself. The Power Hoy itself. Now let me arrange my splash, my Hoy splash. This is what I called a product manipulation. So these are the Hoy. I have them already. So I'm going to arrange it now orderly to achieve what I want to achieve. Just stay with me, guys. The beauty of this design is at the end of this tutorial, because the last effect I did on this design is what helps me to get that effect on this design. So I advise you watch this design to the end so you can see what I'm about to show you. So now I'm arranging the Hoy splash. Just stay with me. You can see the way I'm doing it. So let me take the third one. I'm going to use this one at the top. Like so. You can see that the Hoy have a bit of the edges are not really neat like that. So what I'm going to do at the end of this design is going to clean off all those edges you are seeing from the Hoy splash. Everything will look neat and sharp, and it will look so real. So just stay tuned till I finish this tutorial. Don't skip any parts. Just watch till the end.
Well then, why?
The design is so simple. I'm going to blow this one because the edges are too sharp. I don't need it to be too obvious. So I'm going to blow it the same way, bitmap, and come to my blur here. Let me reduce it, it's too much. I don't need it to be too obvious, just a bit blurrish. I think it's okay. So I'm going to duplicate it. Let me reduce it a bit. I'm going to duplicate it again. Yeah, good. The next thing now is to pick the logo. Let me put their logo at the right hand side here. Just stay with me, guys. If you have not subscribed, please don't fall my handle. Kindly subscribe now. So the next thing I want to do now is to do a reflection. So I'm going to pick one of the oil, the one below, because it's the last image below that you are going to use as a reflection. So I'm going to pick the one below, which is the oil splash. So just watch how I'm going to do the reflection on this design. Let me take this one up. So I'm going to duplicate it, and I've rotated with that tools up there. So the next thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to go to my transparent tools and right click on it and drag it. Can you see it? Then I'm going to use my F10 to close it up. It's as simple as that. If you have any question, please guys, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. I'm going to reply all your questions. So this is the last part I want you guys to see. So I'm going to pick my rectangle. This is the last part I want you to see. This is the beauty of this design. And put my rectangle, give it a lemon color also. I'm going to give it a lemon color also. And come straight down to my transparent tools and fade it. And let me change the lemon. This is not the lemon color I want. Let me use a deeper lemon. And now let me adjust it a bit. Now I'm going to go to my transparent tools and go to subtract. Can you see it? Now this is what we have. Subtract. Immediately both the water splash and all the images, the effect changes immediately. The lemon lighting below comes out more, and even the oil splash, all those details you have seen before is not visible now. It comes out so real and so nice. I'm going to be doing a tutorial very soon on how you can enhance your design that you did in COREDRAW to Photoshop. People always say that Photoshop design look more sharper than COREDRAW. There's a way we'll go about that. When I'm done with this design, I'm going to take it to Photoshop and I'm going to enhance it more so it can look more sharp and more beautiful. But for now, this is it. This is the picture manipulation. I'm done with the design. I just arrange everything. Can you see what we have? So simple, guys. You can also try this. If you have any question to ask me, just don't hesitate, ask me. And if you have not subscribed, please guys, kindly subscribe to show love. In my next tutorial, I'm going to show you how I'm going to enhance this design more in my Photoshop to bring it more beautiful and more sharper and more, I'm going to make it more, you see the difference in my next tutorial. So just stay tuned.